The Access Configuration page acts as your organization's security command center. To manage these settings, navigate to Configuration and select Access in the Admin Portal sidebar. The default Registration tab allows you to control how new users join your workspace. If you toggle Public Registration off, your workspace operates in a strict invite-only mode. If you toggle it on, you can secure the self-registration process by restricting allowed email domains. Simply type your company's domain and click Add. The platform will automatically reject any registration attempt from an unauthorized email provider like Gmail. Switch to the Network tab to restrict platform access at the network level using IP Allowlisting. To prevent accidentally locking yourself out, the system will auto-detect your current connection. Click Add My IP and click Save. You can also manually add other approved networks, like a corporate VPN, by clicking Add Entry. Enter a name and provide the specific IP address or CIDR range. Once your allowed IPs are securely listed, you can confidently toggle the Master IP Allowlisting switch to the On position. If you ever need to remove an approved network, you can easily click the pencil icon to edit it, or click the red trash can icon and confirm to instantly block access from that location. Finally, the Audit Log tab provides a read-only forensic ledger of all administrative actions taken over the last 30 days. You can scroll through the chronological list to see exactly what happened and who performed the action. If an event has additional technical context, you can click the bracket icon in the far right column to open a dialog with the raw JSON metadata for deep troubleshooting.